Northwest ISD is committed to preparing students to be future ready. High school students have the opportunity to gain real-world skills through career and technical education programs of study, including multiple academies. We're excited to add another option with the opening of the Northwest ISD Construction Academy at Northwest High School in August of 2025. The Construction Academy takes a unique approach to construction education that includes both trade industries and construction management careers. Students in the Construction Academy do not have to choose only one focus, but will gain hands-on experience in all construction areas, including plumbing, carpentry, electrical, HVAC, and construction management. The Academy will provide students with a competitive advantage to directly enter the construction workforce or to advance towards college and industry construction science programs. The Construction Academy program of study includes 4 sequential courses: Principles of Construction, Building Maintenance Technology 1, Building Maintenance Technology 2, Practicum in Construction Technology. These courses will have hands-on learning experiences such as framing walls and repairing drywall, installing lighting fixtures, preparing and installing copper and plastic pipe, and maintaining HVAC systems. Students will also learn how to use and maintain the required tools and equipment and earn multiple construction industry certifications. Given our location in the heart of the fastest growing metropolitan area in the United States, student internships will also be a large part of this program. Students will intern in paid and unpaid opportunities with local construction companies to gain hands-on work experience while still in high school. Let's hear from a local industry professional about the need for construction careers in our local community.
So we heard that Northwest is getting a new construction program, which is pretty exciting. I wish I would have had something like that when I was growing up in high school and into college. I think it's a great opportunity for all the students to get involved. The more that you can get into construction and experience, the better you are. I went into college with very little to no experience, and I would say I probably learned more on my 6-month internship in college than I did the rest of the years I was there. So this is, I think, a great opportunity for all students involved, and I would say this industry is growing. It's not slowing down anytime soon from what we can tell and what the markets are doing. And a lot of the older guys right now are getting ready to retire, so mainly fields, so superintendent, carpenters, assistant superintendents. So it's really a great opportunity right now to get a hands-on experience and to probably think about going into the field and not just looking into an office job out of school.
Currently, we have a student from Byron Nelson who's doing an internship with us. She's learning about the different RFIs and submittals, kind of the day-to-day process of construction for us, and then we take her on job site walks and we kind of show her what it takes to build a project. This one here at Northwest High School has been a big one, but it's something we enjoy showing her about. And the internship is only a year long with her, for her, but it sounds like in the academy it'll be 4 years of learning, and that's going to be substantial for students that graduate from this academy. They'll have a ton of experience to get them a job in construction once they do graduate.
Academies give you a great competitive advantage over people that are regularly in high school. You get real-world experience and you get insight into a career that you may or may not be interested in. If you want to do construction, this is great for you. If you don't, it's also great for you. You can figure out what you do like, what you don't like, and like I said, you get more experience over your peers and there's more opportunities. For example, I'm a senior and I get to do an internship with Hill & Wilkinson General Contractors. I get to see what it's like in the construction field, and previously I didn't want to do construction, but I like the idea of being out in the field, and by joining an academy, you'll be able to do opportunities like this.
Thank you, North Star Builders and Maxine, for joining us today. North Star Builders and Maxine are a perfect example of the opportunities that we can provide for our students, and that is why we can't wait to work with your student in our classrooms and workshops, providing a solid foundation and industry skills to be ready for their future.